And I need a drink. I was sick last week. I'm still recovering. Bear with me. This is not bad. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Marta and I recently got monetized, and I thought I would share my story of how I got monetized, how much I got paid in my first month of being monetized. I personally love watching videos like these, especially as a small YouTube channel. I love watching other people's progress and how long it took them to get there. So let's get into it. First, a little bit about me. I have a sewing and small business channel. I primarily focus on making tutorial videos, small business vlog videos, and just like week in my life. I got monetized in 6 months basically. So I got monetized in January and I started posting in June. So it's like 6 months and 2 weeks, I think. I did post my first long form video on June 15th, and it was already after I hit 100 subscribers from posting my shorts. It was just shorts about like DIY shorts and that kind of stuff. And if you take anything out of this video, is start posting shorts, because I think that is a very important factor in growing your channel fast. I've been posting, I think, twice a week the first 2 or 3 weeks that I started my YouTube channel. I don't know how I used to do that. It's harder now. It's hard to post even once a week now. But I used to post twice a week for like maybe a month. And it could be a good idea for some people, but for me, I burnt out real quickly. And I took like a whole month break of not posting anything in August. So yeah, like the last day that I posted in August was August 16th, and then I didn't post again until September 22nd. And I was in the middle of moving and I was changing jobs, and it was just like a lot, and YouTube was kind of like in the background at that time. I did still try to post at least some shorts, because those were super easy to make and they could be as short as like 10 seconds. And that what helped me keep growing and keep getting more subscribers. And by the time I posted my video on September 22nd, my long form video, I was at 700 subscribers at that time. So yeah, fast forward to October 10th is when I hit 1,000 subscribers. So yeah, to get monetized, you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. At that time, I did not have 4,000 watch hours at all. It was because it wasn't clear to me back then that you have to have 4,000 watch hours from your long form videos. Up until like maybe September, I thought that hours from shorts are also getting counted towards your 4,000 watch hours. When I found out, I was like, oh no. And I totally switched. I started focusing more on making long form videos, because for you to get monetized from just shorts, you have to have like 10 million views on it. And I was like, that's not happening at all. Like, I don't know what kind of videos I need to make to get that many views. So I was like, okay, so now I have to focus on making long form videos so I can start gaining more watch hours. Because I was trying to post consistently, but I would skip a week here and there, and then like not posting at all in August. I did know that by not posting long form videos and only posting shorts, I'm not gaining any hours. So yeah, be aware that 4,000 hours, that has to come from your long form videos, because I didn't know, and I found out like too late. And then I finally got monetized on January 8th, and I think then I had about 2,000 subscribers. Yeah, I hit just 2,000 subscribers on December 28th, so right before New Year's, and then I got monetized on January 8th. You can start making money a little bit faster with YouTube. You can get monetized with 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, and that gives you an access to super thanks, when people can basically like leave you tips or like donations on your videos in the comments. I never got anything from that. And you can link your shop if you're a small business like me. You can link your shop at the bottom of your videos and kind of like advertise your business more on your videos. Oh, and you can do memberships with that monetization program. But to start making money from ads, you have to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark and 4,000 watch hours. Okay, so let's take a look at my analytics. From January 8th till February 8th, I posted 5 long form videos and I posted 13 shorts. I gained 801 subscribers during that period of time, which is crazy. My videos got 29,000 views, 1,810 watch hours, and my lowest earning day was January 16th. I got $1.39 on that day, and my highest earning day was February 7th. I made $10.06 on that day, and my long form videos made $121, and my shorts made me $8.67. And in total, from January 8th till February 8th, I made $130.20. So yeah, as you can see, I was trying to stay consistent with my uploads this month, and it resulted in gaining more subscribers, and I got more watch time hours. One of my videos, the video called 100 crochet ideas, that video got 21,000 views this month, and now in total it has 42,000 views, I think. It gained so many views this month, and I posted it in September. It gained me 198 new subscribers this month, and it made me $70.62. I never thought that video was gonna do this well, but this just goes to show that you never know which video is going to perform well. Sometimes, like I have this one video I did of my sewing room makeover, and I spent so much time doing it, and I spent money doing it too, and I thought that it was going to perform so well, but it has 500 views. That was really discouraging whenever I posted it. And this video, it took me an hour to film, and it basically brought me more views and more revenue than the video that I spent so much time and money on. You just never know what video is gonna do well, what video is gonna do bad. Sometimes you put all this work into your video and then it just flops. A lot of my videos that I was posting, then I was ugh, I really don't like that video that much, and then they perform well, and I'm make it make sense. It doesn't make sense. Just don't be too hard on yourself. My whole entire life I've been hard on myself. It's not fun. I am learning to be nicer to myself now, and that really helps me just put content out there and not worry too much about what I think. Don't be discouraged, post consistently, and I promise you will see growth. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.